Hey you guys, I almost forgot to show you my sprouts. We're going to have a sprouting class coming up soon. We have 2 sprouting classes in the archives, but I forgot to mention my sprouts. This is my addition. This gets some legumes into my diet really easy, straight out of the fridge. These are my lentil sprouts. These are French green lentils. They sprout so intensely. Look at this jar. I put a 1/2 cup of green lentils into my quart jar with my sprouting lid, and I soaked them overnight, and then I drain them and rinse and drain them 2 to 3 times a day, and you are going to get the most dense sprouts that add so much protection to your salads. I call this winter gardening. And when you're draining the water out of them, drain them on an angle. I just have them on my dish rack there. And these are broccoli sprouts. When you're sprouting broccoli sprouts, just a tip. The little black seeds that you see there, they're not unsprouted seeds. That's the seed hull. So you could rinse them off if you don't want the crunch of them, but we usually just eat them. We put them right in. And broccoli sprouts are populated with so much sulforaphane, and I'm going to go over the details on that when we do another sprouting lesson, and just to give you all of the inspiration to get to sprouting, because there's so much reward in very little effort. And these are ready to go, so they're going to go straight into my refrigerator for a few more days of yummy, fresh sprouts. Take care.
Best of health.